Facebook page. If you had created a Facebook business page by mistake, or you have an old Facebook business page that doesn't make sense to have anymore, it's very easy to delete it. But please, 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 if you have many likes on that page, consider rename the page instead of delete it. Or even you can merge pages. That is a way of taking and leveraging all the likes that you already got in that old Facebook page. But if it's just a page you create with no likes, here it is how to delete it. Go to your Facebook business page you want to delete. And again, the possibly easy way to go there is by clicking the little triangle in the top menu in Facebook. Find your page there. If you don't see it there, go see more. And then you will have a list of all the pages you manage, and you select the one you want to delete it, click on it. Once you are on the Facebook business page you want to delete, click on Settings there at the top. Then when you are in the Settings in the General tab, you scroll down until you see Remove Page and click on the Edit button there. And then you have to confirm permanently delete Tech Tip for Coaches test number 3. That is the case of the page I want to delete at this moment because it was just a demo. I'm going to click there. Then once again, it's going to ask you to confirm because you will say once you delete a page, you will not be able to get it back. If you think you will want to come back to your page in the future, you can unpublish it instead of delete it. Are you sure that you want to delete Tech Tip for Coaches? Test 3, this one I'm sure. So I go and press there, delete. The page is deleted. The content you request cannot be displayed right now. It's just close. It's no longer available. You are done. So it's no showing up more there on the list of your pages. So it's very easy to do, but make sure that you want to do it. And then easy peasy lemon squeeze. And if you are a member of Tech Tips for Coaches, you have detailed tutorials with step-by-step instructions and screenshots on how to do this and many, many other resources there. Learn, impact, and enjoy. This is Anna Melikian, the founder of TechTipForCoaches.com.